EFF Limpopo Provincial Chair Tshilidzi Maranga has sent her resignation letter to EFF Secretary General Marshall Dlamini, where she asked to be released from her duties immediately. On Friday, she sent a statement saying that she has joined Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The following day, she started her recruitment campaign across the province. MK Party will shock so many in 18 months in the local government elections. What do you think of this new recruitment to the MK Party? Please do share your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't skip the ads, please. And